Islam nobles, this is King Abdul Muminil speaking. Today I finished filing my notice of removal to the Fulton County Superior Court. And this is the email that they send back to you when it's accepted. So that's pretty much it for that. So, on the other hand, this is the service of the documentation to all of the people who were involved in this corruption of sending Young Thug to prison while he's being set up. I'm looking at the setup, see? I'm like, oh no, you're not going to do this to Young Thug. None of these children, because they are not capable of doing law. They don't know what's hitting them, so they can't react to know what their lawyers are doing when they're selling them out. So as you can see, this is the notice of removal. These are the people that got served. And I know they are sick right about now because I gave them notice that they are all being investigated and I need to do um, questions for them, give them interrogatories for the federal criminal investigation because this is no joke when they human traffic. This whole setup is for the whole world. But for the way the lawyers and the judges have it going, it's all made up for them to win. You can never win. And when they want to get you, they'll do these. They'll they'll use statutes and codes. They'll use case law. They'll use the Constitution of the United States of America, which is plagiarized, or the name United States is can only be used by Moors nobles, and it's some deep stuff going on right before our eyes. So I'm just here to stop it all. Anyway, Islam, peace and love. And if you make comments that I'm for the Bloods or Crips or anybody or gang members or nothing, something like that, I'm not with that. I got a comment from a young somebody that was online that said, "Do I ask?" He asked, "Did I condone uh, what Thugger is about, as far as being involved with the Bloods?" I don't know what they're doing. I don't know no Bloods. I don't know no Crips. I don't hang with gangs. But I do know that the lawyers and judges are the goons. They're the slave masters. You see, the lawyers are the slave masters. The judges are designed to run the slaves. Congress owns the slaves. And the police are the slave catchers. And the teachers are the slave makers. So this whole thing is made up so that we can never get out of this circle of a monopoly and be slaves. So since you've been taught this garbage in school, to go all the way from kindergarten to college or whatever, you've been tricked. You were born rich. Y'all, if you follow me, you'll know that I'm talking about the Moorish American Treaty of Peace and Friendship of 1787 and our Iroquois Confederation Constitution that shows everything that we have to do. So they can't win. Islam, peace and love, nobles. King Abdul Muminil, out.